I'm not used to doing cute faces. Hi guys, so today I have hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys this Euphoria makeup. I wanted to do an Euphoria makeup because I really got done watching the show. I know I'm pretty late to the trend, okay, but I still wanted to do this. I feel like it looks kind of like a rave makeup, so if you're into rave, you can do this makeup. I kind of wanted to do like the rhinestones to look like they're my freckles, so that's why I put them around my face, or kind of like my highlight is to pop in and it looks like I have rhinestones on my face. I don't know how to explain it, but I just wanted to do that because I liked it. If you would like to see how I got this makeup look, keep on watching. Okay, if I look busted, it's because I need an eyelash refill. If you can see my titties, I'm sorry, but you're welcome. And this is Brittany, so don't mind her. She's gonna take a little nap while I do my makeup. Sorry, honey. There's a lot going on in this room. Yeah, she's there. Yeah, so today we're gonna do an Euphoria makeup tutorial. Yes, I know I have a bad tan. An Euphoria makeup tutorial, okay? Inspired. I'm not gonna do the same thing because why, you know? Like, you gotta be original and stuff like that. And like, most of the Euphoria makeup I saw had pink incorporated to it, and I have done a lot of pink looks, okay? So we don't want that. I'm gonna try to get a little closer because I know you guys like to see the action happen. So for my base, I'm gonna use this NYX. It's a NYX base. Let me show you the tub so you guys know which one it is, so you can go buy it. I don't know if I'm a little crusty, dusted, busted from makeup because I haven't done eyeshadow for a long time. I think my last eyeshadow makeup that I did, actually it was my last eyeshadow look that I did, was the Valentine's makeup tutorial thing. So a ver cómo me va. Creo que la cagué. We're gonna grab this Real Techniques brush. I don't remember the name, but it looks like this. We're gonna grab the Morphe 35B, rest in peace, palette. If you have that James Charles palette, you can use it. I'm sure it's more pigmented than this one. So we're just gonna pat the blue because we want to get the more pigmentation from it. And if we right away blend it, we're not gonna get it. So let's just pat the blue, and it's gonna look like this. Easy, okay. And I know right now it looks really crazy, but that's okay. I want it to look like that. Don't worry if it's messy because you can clean it up. So we're gonna use the Morphe E27. This is the bomb. If you know, you know. If you have it, you have it. Barney color, this one. We're gonna get it like this. We're gonna tap the axis because we don't want over axis eyeshadow. And we're gonna blend it. Now we're gonna grab this purple. Sorry if my vocabulary sucks. I haven't talked to a camera for like half a year, so this is hard and I really don't know how to explain this. I don't know what words to use apparently. Again, I'm just packing, not really blending. Blending who? Not me. Como mira. I can't take myself serious. I think people are like, this bitch, she probably
It's okay once you clean it, you know.
it's okay.
Little
Take it off and redo it again, and then it'll look good.
I like the color.
Yeah, I like the colors. Eh? Maybe that's why you're liking. And now we go again.
It's fun.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. I like it. It's something new for me. Oh my god, these colors are something else. They're vibrant. Okay, they're out there. Bro, I'm gonna do the other eye off the camera, and I'll be right back. Hey, honey. Good damn, baby. Good damn, bebecita. Qué chula. Mira, combinó tus ojos. Ay, baby, estás hermosa tú. Hermosita, baby, hermosita. So I already did my brows, and I make sure to do them super thin, okay? I look pretty white right now because I Siempre. So I make sure to make my brows super thin because I noticed on the show that they really didn't have their eyebrows done. All the girls on the show have really pretty eyebrows, so I didn't want to overdo them on the brows, so hopefully they look thin and natural, you know. So I already applied primer on my face and I'm using the Prime Light by Milani. I don't know if you can see it, it's pretty bright, so whatever. And I'm gonna use for foundation the Born This Way foundation in light beige because yeah, why not, this foundation is a bomb. And I'm really gonna show you guys how I apply it because I feel like that's unnecessary footage that you guys have to see. I decided to wing the eyeshadow a little, why not. Now for concealer, we're using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and this is in Ivory. I'll show you how I apply my concealer because I don't know, I found that satisfying, I guess. Right now, for me, doing makeup is not the best idea ever. I've been breaking out like crazy for some reason. I don't know why. I have my same skincare routine. I don't know. I haven't changed my diet at all. So, I don't know. I don't know what's happening with my skin. I've been drinking less water, so maybe that's the problem. The foundation brush I'm using is the medium sculpting brush. And I love this brush for foundation. Now that I have my face makeup done, I'm just gonna apply lashes and I'm using this by Salon Perfect and they're the number 615. The thing is that I don't know if they still sell them. They were pretty popular at the time, mostly because they have this effect. These are different lashes. They have this like, I don't know, like this separated effect that looks so cute. Honestly, it looks like I'm doing kind of like a mermaid makeup, but with the Euphoria look, I feel like mermaid vibes all the time. So I think these lashes are the perfect match for this makeup look. Just waiting for the eyelash glue to dry, and I hadn't applied lashes for a while. I've been using eyelash extensions. A ver cómo nos va. What I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna apply them with my fingers, I'm just gonna start from really low, going up. Freaking eyelash extensions, this is gonna be hard. Drop them, then pull them, and then stick them there. Okay, that wasn't so hard. Okay, vamos bien, morros, vamos bien. I can see clearly where I wanna stick them now. And push them up. Can you guys see? I mean, I hope you guys see. I'm trying my best to do this on camera. So this is how they should look. So basically what we're gonna do with the Simple eyeshadow, I'm just using my M432 Morphe brush and I'm just patting this at the lower lash line. I'm gonna do this to make like a little wing underneath. It should look something like this. The Barney color that we were using to blend, we're gonna blend the lower lash line. So now we're gonna do the rhinestones. I got this from Target. I wanted them individually, but I couldn't find individual pieces. So now what we're gonna do, basically I want it to look like I have freckles, but with diamonds, you know? So let's get a little bit closer because I have to show you guys exactly where I'm putting this. And this already has like a sticky thing to it, so I don't have to worry about sticking it to anywhere or something like that. So there, you can barely see it. Yeah, it's looking something like this. This honestly looks like rave makeup. Oh well. So this is the makeup look. It's finished. So basically I didn't show this part on camera, but you can see basically the pattern that I did. So thank you so much for watching this video. I had to put the ring light out so you guys can see the makeup a little bit better. I like how it looks. I think it looks kind of like a rave makeup, but like that's okay. It looks cute. What do you think? I'm here for it and I'm leaving for it. I'm not used to it, but like cat hair. But I'm so happy about it. I'm happy I went through it. Literally filming makeup tutorials, it's like a taboo now because literally I don't see no one doing them anymore. But with this Euphoria trend going on, I have seen so many makeup tutorials and I was like, let me hop on it, you know, because it looks so cute and wearable. I haven't seen people wear it out a lot, but like I've seen people on Instagram, like, you know, with their rhinestones on their face, and I'm like, dang, I have nowhere to go today though. If someone wants to take me out, hopefully my roommates want to take me out to, I don't know, Dutch Bros or something like that. But yeah, this is the final look. I feel cute, I feel snatched. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you like it on the button down below. Give it a big thumbs up please, because I would really appreciate it. Now that I'm back, I'm really trying to grind and get some fun videos out, only if I like them. But like, it's really hard because I'm my worst critic. Also, if you would like to see more videos from me, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, los quiero mucho, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.